Okay, these are 5 meditation lessons that actually changed my life. And I mean actually, not the common quote version of just breathe that everyone posts and nobody really explains. So if you've ever sat down to meditate and gotten frustrated and quietly thought, I'm just bad at this video is for you. By the end of this video, you're going to understand meditation in a completely different way. And honestly, you might feel a little less alone in the process. Can we just talk about the biggest lie we've all been told about meditation? That you're supposed to sit down and think about nothing. Like your brain's supposed to go blank. If that was what you've been trying to do, no wonder you gave up. Here's the truth, nobody tells you. Meditation was never, ever about emptying your mind. It's about observing, about curiosity to whatever shows up. Thoughts, feelings, that random memory that shows up from 7th grade, all of it. You're not supposed to make it disappear. You're supposed to notice it. I used to sit down to try to think nothing, and I fail immediately. I'm just not a meditation person, I would think. Does that sound familiar? Do you tell yourself this? But the second I stopped trying to force a blank mind and just let myself watch what showed up without judging it, without fixing it, everything shifted. The pressure was gone, and honestly, that's when meditation actually started to work for me. So if you've failed at meditation before, you did not fail. You were just playing by the wrong rules. The moment you let go of blank mind, you get to actually start. Okay, lesson 2. And this one honestly changed how I treat myself, not just in meditation, but like in life. The practice isn't watching your thoughts and going, oh, what am I thinking? Or why am I thinking about that again? The practice is watching your thoughts the way you would watch clouds in the sky go by and just being curious about them, not judgmental. No story about what those thoughts mean or about you as a person. I used to catch a thought in my mind in meditation and immediately judge it. Immediately would judge myself for having it. Like, why am I still thinking about this? I should be more zen about this already. And that judgment, that was the actual block, not the thought itself. The second I got curious instead of critical about it, like genuinely asking, interesting, why did that show up right now? The whole experience softened. So you are allowed to notice something about yourself without turning it into a reason to loop or spiral around it. That's it. That's the whole shift. Curiosity over judgment, every single time. And this one is the lesson that made me go, wait, what? In the middle of a meditation. No exaggeration. The thought itself is not the message. It's the mind's narration, the memory, the interpretation, the story it tells about what's happening. So when a thought pops up, it's not the truth handing itself to you. It's your brain's commentary. That's it. There was a moment where I caught myself thinking something totally random. And my instinct was to follow it and analyze it and turn it into a whole narrative about myself. Once I understood that the thought is just the narration of the mind, not the actual message, I stopped chasing the storyline. I stopped needing to figure out what does this mean about me, because that was never the point. Next time a thought shows up in your meditation practice, you don't have to follow it down the rabbit hole. You can just let it be a thought passing like a cloud and not defining the truth of your day. Okay, this one is the one I wish someone told me years ago, because it changes everything about how you actually process what's going on inside you. If the thought is just the narration, then where's the real message? In the sensation. The actual feeling the thought leaves in your body, that's where the information is. So instead of getting stuck in the story, why did I think that? What does this mean? You just ask your body, okay, what does this feel like right now? Is it tight? Is it heavy? Does it feel expansive? That felt sense holds so much more truth than any narrative in your mind. Once I started tuning into the sensation instead of the storyline, I understood myself faster and way more honestly than years of overthinking. You don't have to think your way to clarity. Sometimes you just have to feel your way there. Your body already knows. You just have to listen to it. And the last lesson, the one that honestly took the most pressure off, is this. You are not required to fix anything during meditation. Observing a thought or a pattern is not the same as needing to repair it right then and there. Noticing is enough. That's the whole job. I used to sit down thinking I need to solve something every single time. Untangle a pattern, come out the other way fixed. But entering with the intention to fix is in itself just another pattern. The actual work is simpler and honestly kinder than that. You notice, you let it be seen, and that's what starts to loosen its grip on you. Not forcing a resolution in that moment, really. Just give yourself permission to just notice and stop there. You don't have to solve your whole life in one sitting. Noticing is already the shift. So that's it. 5 lessons that completely changed the way I show up for myself. Not just on the mat or the cushion, but honestly in my whole life. If even one of these landed for you today, I want you to actually try it this week. Not perfectly, but honestly. Sit down, notice what shows up, and let your body tell you what your mind can't tell you. In the next video, you can access your intuition, the clarity that you deserve to feel. You can learn to pause the constant impulse to move to the next thing. When we stop escaping our experience to go to our heads, we access clarity and intuition. So try this.